Hello! This is the MEDDoC team for the final round. It's me, Dominique Manov, and Artin Abimanatsu.
For the first service of MEDDoC, we have the online appointment booking, where we have designed a simple, responsive, and light SaaS software as a service platform for online medical appointments that allows the patient to access the schedule of the health professional of his choice who has subscribed to our services and to select the type of appointment that suits him, either for a home consultation or for an office consultation, as soon as possible and as close as possible to his home. The process is as follows. The patient registers on MEDDoC.mg and fills in profile. They then have access to a list of doctors and can search by town, by specialty, by the name of the doctor or the name of the specialty. At a glance, they can see the available time slots, date and time. The patient will also have all the necessary information to outlocate the facility, address, telephone number, bus line, bus stop, Google Maps, and etc. In addition, they will receive an email and a text message the day before their appointment. The patient will have a digital health record that will track and secure his health information, such as his blood type, his treatments, his test results, his allergies, his consultation history of doctors, and etc. This will make it easier for doctors to prescribe appropriate care. The second service of MEDDoC is PharmaClick. This is the first search engine that allows easy online access to all the information of pharmacies or shops in Madagascar. What distinguishes PharmaClick is that it allows access to the nearest pharmacies or shops corresponding to the search with a click and collect service, or with the possibility of having the product delivered. On the pharmacy and shop site, PharmaClick allows the highlights of the products, services, and areas of specialization. It's important to notice that online medical appointments and PharmaClick are linked. This allows doctors to send patients' medical prescription to a partner pharmacy chosen by the patient. To enable the targets to benefit from our solution, we use ICT tools such as React.js, Node.js, HTML, and CSS for the front end, Java with framework, Spring Boot for the back end, PostgreSQL for the database, and Amazon Web Services such as Elastic Beanstalk, EC2, Database RDS, Route 53, and Amplify. Amazon Simple Email Service for sending reminder, confirmation, cancellation mails, and etc. Orange SMS API for sending reminder, code confirmation, as well, cancellation, and SMS too. OpenStreetMap for locating health professionals, online payment for subscriptions, for example, mobile banking or credit card by health professionals. And you know that some services can be migrated to IBM Cloud Service. For the third service and the last one, named Hello Doctor, the patient just needs to call a short number and they will be put in touch with a doctor who will locate the patient, diagnose him, and try to find a solution according to his region and his request in order to prescribe medicines that he will send by SMS. We guarantee access to a doctor by phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, anywhere in Madagascar, especially in remote areas without doctors. The medical team will consist of general practitioners assisted by nurses. The patient will also be able to make an appointment by phone in case the call is not enough. For the implementation of this service, it will be necessary to set up a short number, to have a call center equipped with computers, headset, and local server, and to implement VigiBox and Customers Relationship Manager.
So, MEDDoC.mg is a solution against long queues in hospitals and doctors' surgeries. Well, PharmaClick is a solution against trips to the pharmacist and is a convenient for booking necessary care for patients in advance. On the market, they offer alternatives such as Gomed, MEDDoC, AALCUP or MEDDoC, which operate in the health sector. They offer either online medical appointments or the sale of parapharmaceutical products, but not both. In addition, they have some shortcomings such as the inaccessibility of their services in remote areas and the unsuitability of their solutions for any types of medium. So far, MEDDoC is the only one to offer a complete solution for people in both remote and urban areas. Our business model is based on subscription for healthcare professionals. For patients, the service is free. On PharmaClick, 5% of sales made on the site generate revenue. Finally, for ADO we earn around $0.081 per call. As you can see in the business model matrix, the expected revenue each year from the third year of operation is $327,000 at the same time cost or estimated at $87,900. Until then, the expenses and revenues are developed in the financial plan you see. In 2022, the projected expenditure is $50,000 against revenue of $65,400.
To ensure the development of MEDDoC, we have made our complementary backgrounds a synergy. We start with Dominique Manouf, the CEO and founder of MEDDoC, specialized in digital transformation, institutional relations, and business management. He studied in France in a business school in Troyes, in a master's degree in innovation management and a master's degree in political science, specializing in international relations here in Madagascar. He returned to Madagascar 4 years ago and decided to bring a solution to the various problems encountered by the Malagasy population. Second, we have Miada Hanadson, who is our CTO. He is a full-stack developer. He is specialized in the design of websites and web applications. Thanks to his previous experiences at KNAPS, BICI, and Niantic, he was able to develop our two current platforms, MEDDoC and PharmaClick. Similarly, his management skills have helped him to manage our team of web developers. The third person is the health officer and our representative to the National Order of Doctors Madagascar, Dr. Mananza Hananjian, who is a state-qualified doctor who specializes in face and neck surgery at the Andouatapenac Hospital. Apart from his studies, he has already had some experience in France, more precisely in Montmartre. Fourth, there is me, the CMO, specialized in market analysis and the implementation of sales and communication strategies. My role is to define the targets to the approach as well the most efficient approach methods. Similarly, my job is to define the targets to be prioritized as well as the offers that might interest them. Finally, there is Stephanie Rakutundasu. She is in charge of developing our sales at national and international level. She honed her sales skill while she was a salesperson at Multimicron Mada in 2018. Afterwards, she continued her studies in software development. The combination of these two experiences makes it easier for her to explain to our prospects what MEDDoC can really offer. Apart from the actual team member, from 2022, we will grow from 16 people to 25 people in 2024. Take care of yourself and see you.